Hey there, welcome back to my Curly Girls and Me. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first curl kit in years. I used to subscribe to the CurlKit subscription back when I first went natural. It's been like 5+ years ago. And so after numerous and countless of emails trying to get me back, you know, they finally won a girl over. Hey, see what goodies we have today. This is the box. Okay, so let's dive in, see what kind of goodies are in here. You excited? I'm so excited. That's what's on the side of the box. So this is how it looks. This is what I see first. It's just some flyers about the Coconut Restore. I guess it's a featured product. And this tells you all about it. Curl Life Anniversary Edition. All things Coconut Restore. We have a 13 fluid ounce bottle of cream conditioner cleanser. This is like, I guess, a co-wash. Yes, it's for super gentle cleansing. The ingredients. Fragrance alone, they could be hiding 100+ ingredients in the word fragrance alone. Screenshot or pause the video, but these are typically not the ingredients that I look for when I'm looking for a natural product. You don't get to see the ingredients prior. This is the Curl Moisture Cream. I have a Coconut Restore Texture and Volume Spray. 1 fluid ounce of the Moisture and Shine Mist. Curl Mousse. And the Hair Softening Tonic. Sample of the leave-in conditioner. Now they would just only give you 2 little packets of leave-in conditioner. Like I said, again, you can screenshot it or pause the video. 10 items, and this is 2 packs of the coconut oil samples. This is revitalizing whipped coconut oil. That is it for my March 2019 Curl Kit box. Don't be shy to say hi. Thumbs up this video if you would like to see more of our Curl Kit unboxing. But we'll say the same. We'll see you in the next one. Keep it curly. I'm protective styling for a while, so in case you want to see what my shirt says. God is good, y'all.